Hola, good morning. This is Noel, and I'm over here at my home and getting ready for packing and shipping a whole container to Spain. I spent the last 3 weeks gathering all my things and putting it in boxes and labeling it, and the moving company will be coming in to do some repacking and recalibrating and taking a look at the stuff that I have and pack it accordingly. So I hope this is going to be an easy 2-day process, which is scheduled for the actual pickup and packing of the container. Stay tuned for more. Well, today is a really big day. It's my moving day, and I've been spending the past 2 weeks packing and getting things going for a container to actually pick up my personal effects and some furniture and put that into a 20-foot container to be shipped to Spain. And as you can see here, I'll look at the hordes of clothes and kitchenware, which is over there. And then outside in the garage, I'll show you some of the boxes that I've stored in the garage for things to be picked up. I have all my major furniture that I'm going to bring with me to be stored in a garage downstairs, and when the container comes, they can easily transfer it directly into the container. I'll show that to you just quickly before this. Okay, here we are downstairs, and I'm staging most of my boxes here on these plastic container bins, which is actually going to go with the shipment. And I'm staging all of my furniture in the garage that is kind of like a 20-foot size container. It's a little bit of a hodgepodge in terms of how it was built out, but I'm pretty sure that the packing company is going to do a better job than what I did here initially, and we'll be able to utilize the space to put in all my clothes and all of the boxes that are being staged around the house. I've run out of space outside and in the garage, so I am staging a lot of the outdoor stuff here by the stairs. It's my wine rack, some statuary, some pots, and some other things that hopefully can fit in between the small openings in the container. And I'll be waiting for the container to arrive this morning. So it's all going to be a fun and quite an adventure to get this all staged and ready to go.